Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Anne and I'm grateful to be sharing with you one easy way of making money online. I will leave a link below this video on my number one way of earning online. I'm a CPA marketer, so you can go ahead and sign up. It's free to sign up. I'll be leaving a link below this video. Today I want to take you through how to become an affiliate with Jumia. Jumia is available in about 12 countries in Africa, and you can become an affiliate in any of those 12 countries. So I will leave a link if you want to join Jumia. You can go ahead and sign up. Once you click on that link, this is the page that will open. So go ahead and click become an affiliate. There will be a short form to sign up. Don't mind the baby. There will be a short form to sign up. So go ahead, sign up. And you will receive an email. You'll receive an email through the email that you use to sign up for. Make sure that you fill all the info correctly. Your country of residence. If you have a website, you can put it there. If you don't have, it's okay. Or you can even put your Facebook website at this part. Click I'm not a robot. Go ahead and start earning. Click on start earning to become an affiliate. So once you will get a link to confirm your registration. Once that is done, this now will be your affiliate account. You can see my name there. This is my dashboard. So under the dashboard, you'll be able to see how you've been performing on weekly or daily. Now we have other options like reporting, daily summary, conversions. If you've done any sales, any clicks. There's info on payments. Yeah, just check out on all these details that are available under your dashboard. But now to the main thing, we want to start making money through Jumia. Now, there is the main Jumia is what I want us to look at. The main Jumia page is what I want us to look at. You can just Google Jumia and you'll be able to see everything that is sold under Jumia. There's supermarkets, stuff, women fashion, men, accessories, computing, beauty, home and living, a lot that you can make money and earn a commission selling. So on any sale that you make with Jumia, there will be a commission that you're given, depending on what it is that you sell, because they're all different. But all this information is available inside your account. You'll also be receiving emails from Jumia on training. There are tutorials. There's frequently asked questions. You can be able to get a lot of info even before you start. So now let's go step by step on training on how to start posting. So under your dashboard, there's this part. There's banner and link builder. These are the main tools that you use to market. So under banner, let's just open and see what it has. My network is a bit slow. It will open. So under banner, you are able to market stuff or commodities under different packages or different categories. So make sure you come here under advertising offer and select your country. You can see you can be able to advertise in all these countries. So For example, I'm in Kenya. I want to advertise in Kenya, so I will click Kenya. So you see, under banner folder, you're able to advertise all these in one category. For example, if I want to advertise women's shoe, I will click that. Then I will come down here and select the banner size. This is the size that I want to put in my Facebook page or my blog. And then this is what will happen. This is now the banner that will appear when I post. And then now this is what I will use, the advertisement banner. So I will come and copy that. So go ahead, copy that. If you're advertising like myself through the Facebook page, you will come and post it. See, this is what I posted a few minutes ago. So yeah, this is a very good example. I selected fonts under 15,000. So I copied and brought it here, and then I wrote this. I just edited and wrote that. And once I post the link, this is what appeared. All the fonts. So when someone comes here and selects any of these, I can make a sale. I can make a sale and earn commissions out of that. So let's see if we can be able to post. Yeah, here. Then I will go ahead and paste there. I'll come and paste there. And then I publish. See how easy it is? Yeah. So when someone clicks on the link, this link, and they choose any of the shoes, or when they go to the Jumia site through my affiliate and they choose anything else, as long as they went to Jumia through my link, I will be able to make a commission out of anything that they get to buy. So let's just see how it looks. I will leave my Facebook page link. You can be able to connect with me if you need any help or any queries. You can connect with me. Feel free to connect with me. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be doing more of these videos. You can also check out another videos that I've made on what I do online. I'm a CPM marketer, and I will also be leaving that at the link for you to be able to check it out and sign up. See what we have. the net is not good. Oh yeah, you see, women's shoe arrival, grab the offer. So I'll edit this later and make it more catchy so that I can see if I can be able to make any sale. Now that is one way. This is a way of advertising if you're advertising a specific category. But now if you want to do a specific item, if you want to for example advertise this particular cooker, you will come here, you'll go to Jumia, just do a selection of whatever it is, then the link will appear up here. So go ahead and copy that link, come back here to Jumia, go to link builder. For this specific item we are going to use link builder. So under the link builder, this page will open. So come here and paste the link that you had copied, then scroll down here. Under link builder, your affiliate link is already combined here. So make sure you highlight. What happened there? Let's just do that again. So we go to link builder, and you put the make sure you select the country. That item is in Kenya and I'm selling in Kenya, so I'm going to select Kenya, and then I'm going to paste the link of the cooker there, and then I'm going to scroll down for this, and then I'm going to copy. So we are advertising this specific item, so that is why we are using link builder. For a category we are using banners, for a specific item we are using link builder. So if you want to test whether that is the item you wanted, you can just come here and paste. Let's see if it opens. Yeah, here it is. This is the item that you're advertising. So if you send this link to a friend or a family member, or just advertising online, and someone clicks and buys, you get a commission. But because I don't want to send the whole link because it's long, you can use this bit.ly.com. Just come here and paste and shorten. Yeah, once you shorten, you're able now to copy this, and now go to your Facebook or wherever that you want to advertise, and paste it there, and you'll be able. It's very easy to make money at home. You can work anywhere. You can see all the countries. You can even sell in those other countries. You can make money online. I'm going to be leaving all these links. Go ahead, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to check out on my #1 earning site that I'm going to be leaving the link below this video. I hope to see you start making money online. Don't wait for that check. This is something you can do to make extra cash. You don't have to stay looking for jobs every time and probably they're not coming along. You can start making money as soon as today. Thank you so much for watching.